Good evening to Sir Hafiz and my fellow friends. My name is Robinson Alabradan. My matrix number is 20 DEE 19F2001. Today I'm going to present about the practical work 6 of programming fundamentals that is about array. First of all, I'm going to explain the definitions of array. An array is a group or collections of same data types. For example, an int array holds the elements of int types, while a float array holds the element of float types. A difference between pointer and an array in C. Array in C is used to store elements of same types, whereas pointers are address variables which stores the address of a variable. Now, array variable is also having an address which can be pointed by a pointer, and array can be navigated using pointer. So this is how we declare the on one-dimensional array. So we need to put the data type, there is variable names and the size of array. Next, so this is how we declare a multi-dimensional array. So I already run this program. So here is the output. Next, the exercise 1. Students should key in all the source code is shown below and compile or run the program to get the output. Please state the output result on the given column. So here is the exercise 1. So this is the output of the program. So next, I'm going to show you the practical assignments 1. That is fixes program 1. The following program contains 5 types of error, which is syntax errors, runtime error, linker error, misuse of percent operator, and semantic error. Students need to verify the error and fix it before they can get the correct output. So this is the program that needs to be fixed. So this is the corrected program. So I'm going to show you how I have fixed the program. So this is the fixed program. So now I'm going to run the program. So now I'm going to put the number of elements. That is, I'm going to put number 3. So here is the answer of the average, that is 4. So next, there is practical assignments 2. The instruction here is to fill in the blanks to complete this program. So here is the program that I have completed. So now I'm going to scroll this one down. Okay, now I'm going to run the program. So now I'm going to put the size of array. That is, I'm going to put number 4. So I'm going to enter number 3, number 1, number 6, number 7. So the sorts of elements, that is 1, 3, 6, 7. Next, there is practical assignment 3. This practical assignment 3 is to manipulate the program 1. So here we are given a series circuit that is to write a program using array to sum all the value of resistors in the given circuit. Build up the flowchart and get the output of this program. So here we can see this circuit contains 4 elements, but here we can identify that this program is required only 3 elements. So here how we can identify that this program required 3 elements only. So that is the keywords is here is to sum all the value of resistor. So here the resistors here only 3. So we just need 3 elements. So this one we do not need this one because we just need to sum all the value of the resistor. So here is the flowchart that I've built. So this one is the program to sum all the value of the resistors. So here I was using this one as the variable that is INTA. So here is the size of array, and I put the element of array that is 258. That is the value of 3 resistors. So this one will calculate 3 elements. So I'm going to show you how the program works. So here we got the output. That is, this program is to sum all the value of resistor. So the sum of the value of resistance, that is 15 kilo ohm. Now I'm going to move to the practical assignments 4. This practical assignment 4 about assessing array elements. So here the question is, write the program and trace the output. Understand and get the output of the program. So here is the program that we need to run. So I have copied it here. So now let's run the program. Okay. So this one is the output of the program. So this one, the size of array that is from 0 until 9, because this is an array of 10 integers. So this one initialize elements of array n to 0. So here it won't read the number 10 because this one is I less than 10. So it will print number 0 until 9 only. So here is the operations. So next, this is the last program that we need to do from this practical work 6 is that is display program 2, that is store and print 5 numbers in an array. Write the program and trace the output. Understand and get the output of the program. So here is the program that we need to copy it and then run using online JDB. So here we were required to build a flowchart. So here is my flowchart. So this one, the reason that I was using this kind of process because this is an internal storage. So here is my flowchart. So this is the copied program from the practical work 6. So now I'm going to run the program and get the output. So here The output of this program is this one, like this. So this is the discussions of practical work 6. So in this practical work 6, we learned about array statement. An array statement is an index collections of data elements of the same type. Index means that the array elements are numbered starting at 0. The restriction of the same type is an important one because arrays are stored in consecutive memory cells. Every cell must be the same type or and therefore the same size. In C programming language, arrays are classified into two types, which are single dimensional array and one dimensional array and multiple dimensional array. For a single dimensional arrays or one dimensional array are used to store lists of values of same data type. In other words, single dimensional arrays are used to store a row of values. In a single dimensional array, the data is stored in linear form. Single dimensional arrays are also called as one-dimensional arrays, linear arrays, or simply 1D arrays. Plus, an array of arrays is called a multi-dimensional array. In simple words, an array created with more than one dimension that is size is called as multi-dimensional array. Multi-dimensional array can be of two-dimensional array or three-dimensional array or four-dimensional array and or more. So the conclusions that we can obtain from this practical work 6 is that we know that arrays are used when there is need to use many variables of the same type. It can be defined as a sequence of objects which are of the same data type. It is used to store a collection of data, and it is more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. Arrays can be declared and used. A programmer has to specify the types of elements and the number of elements which are required by an array. This is called a single-dimensional array. The array size should be an integer constant and greater than 0. Once they are declared, they can be initialized either by using one by one or by using a single statement. Hence, arrays are more efficient and beneficial when compared to the linked list and hash tables. They are faster and can be utilized anywhere. They store data of similar data types together and can be used anywhere in the code. Hence, they are more efficient when it comes to memory allocations and are most advisable to be used in all modern languages. So there is from me. Thank you for watching this video.